Finally, you can get a grip. Natural evolution gave the gecko its amazingly strong grip. Our multi-patented Gecko Grip technology duplicates the microstructured fibers on a gecko's foot for a revolutionary new way to get a grip on dozens of handheld products. Like a gecko's foot, the thousands of anti-slip microstructured fibers on each Setex Gecko Grip anti-slip pad rest comfortably on the skin surface for a secure, relaxed, comfortable fit, even on wet or oily skin. Setex Gecko Grip anti-slip pads are easy to use and hold firm in your hands throughout any activity. Get a grip on your life with the secure and comfortable zero-slip adhesion of Setex Gecko Grip anti-slip pads. Inspired by nature, perfected by science. Order yours today at our website.